Welcome to the course on MetaTrader 4. I'm super excited to see you in here, and we're going to have a great adventure and we're going to learn a lot. We're actually going to learn so much that personally I wish that 8 years ago I had access to all of the information you're going to see in this course. I really think that that would have benefited my trading substantially. You will learn tips that will save you time, you will learn tips that will increase your efficiency, and overall after this course you should feel that your trading experience is much more enjoyable because it is happening so much more seamlessly. And what we're going to do in this tutorial is I'm going to run through the sections of the course quickly so that you know what we're talking about in each section, and therefore you'll be able to navigate the course a bit better. And after that we're going to jump straight into the materials of the course. So let's get started. Alright, so here we are inside the course and let's have a look at the sections. Section number 1 is where we are right now, and here you will find an exercise called the Quick Win, which is designed to show you that MetaTrader 4 is not at all hard or complicated. We will see how we can adjust the charts and the trading platform to our liking, and also you will even open your first couple of orders in this tutorial. And of course everything will be done on a demo account of MetaTrader 4. Next, in section 2, we talk about navigation and we discuss everything about the terminal so that you're comfortable navigating the terminal and you know all the tips and hacks that are relating to finding your way through the MetaTrader 4 platform. In section 3, we're talking about getting organized, and this section will allow you to tailor your platform to your requirements and to your preferences. And here there are some powerful tutorials such as the power of templates, the secret hack, the default template, and using profiles. So those are my 3 favorite tutorials. They really make a difference and make your platform feel like it's truly yours. And in section 4, we're talking about getting down to business, and this is the section where we learn how to open orders, how to modify orders, how to close orders. We learn everything about stop loss and take profit. We even talk about dragging trade levels and trailing stops, and I explain the theory behind pending orders. So there we go. Those are the sections of the course, and I look forward to seeing you within these tutorials. And until next time, happy trading.